Hello everyone, I'm taking over Julian's channel and I'm gonna teach you how to make delicious savory waffles. So this is a super real video. I'm just coming back from the gym and this is my post-workout meal. It's so good, it's completely packed with protein, carbs, and good fats. So before starting, make sure that your waffle maker is on, and this brand is freaking incredible. Previo brand. Anyway, so the first thing that I like to do is to mix all the dry ingredients. So we're gonna start with our protein powder. This is from Vida Birdman. It's freaking incredible because it's completely natural, no flavors, so you can use it for any savory dish. So we have 15 grams of protein. And then we're gonna be using wheat flour. All right, so basically what gluten is made of. We are gluten-full in this household and we're gonna be using 30 grams of your wheat. You can find this in Amazon. Excellent. Oh, I passed a little bit. If you went over, make sure that you return it because this is all protein. Anyway, we're done with the wheat. And we are gonna be using our flour. We like to use this Belgian waffle flour. We're gonna be using only 15 grams. 50 grams, 50. And after that, I'm gonna start cutting my veggies. For vegetables, we already have these pre-made vegetables. We use it for many other plates as well. So this is basically cut up broccoli. We have also carrots and some peppers. This is an incredible tip. If you have toddlers or kids in your house, just put it on the waffles, the vegetables, and they will not notice. I like to cut them up very nicely and small, just so they blend really good with the mix. So once this is cut out, you are gonna dump it into the flour. And I like to approximately use 100 to 150 grams of veggies on my waffle. These will add volume as well. If I don't use vegetables, I would have like this size of waffles, and I like size volume. That way I'm not hungry afterwards. 150 grams. And I also like to measure the amount of water that I use because it is, with these, if they get too soggy, they're gonna stick on the waffle and the waffle maker, and you don't want that. So I use anywhere between 150 to 200 milliliters of water. So the only ingredient that I'm missing here, this is completely optional. Depending on your macros, I would suggest whether you add vegan cheese or not. Right now, I'm in a maintenance phase, so I'm gonna add vegan cheese. This is the brand that we use, called Leaf. I only use 20 grams of this vegan cheese. The rest of my fats will come from avocado. You can add salt, you can add some garlic. I like to add a little bit in advance, so I have garlic here. And I also like to use this like salt that has like chipotle and stuff like that, just a little bit. And the rest I'm gonna add it once these are cooked. This is a recipe that anybody will love and enjoy so freaking much. And it's such an easy way to get your vegetables in. All right, once we're done with this, we're gonna go into our waffle maker. I do use any kind of spray oil. We're just gonna do a little bit. We're gonna do a little bit on the bottom. We're gonna add our mix. I just like to dump it in the middle, and then I'll spread evenly throughout the 4 edges of the machine like this. This is such an incredible waffle machine because it is so deep, so you'll have very thick, beautiful Belgian waffles at the end as a result. Before closing, we're gonna add a little bit of oil on the top. We're gonna close the machine, and this has like a little secure, and I like to have them a little bit dark. So I'll just adjust to dark. So it's gonna be like 7 minutes cooking. All right, so we have this already marking end. I love this waffle maker. And let's see how they look. Oh my goodness. Perfect waffles. All right. I like to just pin one and then lift all of them up. I'm just gonna cut them out like this. And then on the plate, because we gotta measure everything. Okay, so the last ingredient is the topping. Beautiful Mexican avocado. We are gonna do 50 grams, 50 to 60 for me. Evenly spread out on our waffles. Make it look cute. And lastly, you can put whatever you want on the top. For me, this is already good to eat. I hope that you enjoy, and we will share the macros below.